Hello everyone, it's Keesje. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own ink applicators. It's quite simple and the supplies used are readily available in a dollar store or thrift shop. Why would we want to use a ink dauber? Because sometimes we want to use an ink pad to distress around a background or something on your card. Here you can see I've inked around the background of my card. And basically what you do is you grab a piece of card and ink around the edges, and it stands out more if you have this on a light background like so. Ink daubers can be purchased in a craft store, but they can be a bit pricey, so I figured I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna use wine corks, and doesn't matter what kind you use. And I have used felt chair covers, you know, like on the bottom of the chairs, on the bottom of the legs of the chairs, they have their own adhesive. Today I'm going to make them from regular craft felt and the hook part of the Velcro. So first what we're going to do is we grab our Velcro and our cork, and we're going to draw around the cork with a pen or a pencil. And I have 3 corks here that I can do, so I'm going to draw 3 circles. And I'm going to draw around my felt. I'll cut out my circle with a fabric scissor. And when you cut something round, you keep your scissors straight and you move the item you are cutting. I will cut my Velcro with a paper scissors because I do not want to ruin my fabric scissor. And try not to get too much of the side edge because there's no Velcro there. Even if there's self-adhesive on these ones, I will still use a sturdy glue to apply this to my cork. I find I like the felt better because it is softer. This is tougher, and also if this one is saturated, I have to make a new one, and here I can just take this off and put a new piece of felt on. And I will be using regular gel mat that is heavy enough for this to apply to the cork, and I'm gonna just use my finger. That is way too much. Smear some on and puts the Velcro on the cork. It's okay if it's a little bigger than the cork. I like this one because this one has somewhat of a handle, so of course you can use Gorilla Glue or E6000. I happen to like this glue, so. And now it's just a matter of putting on the felt. You push the felt on the Velcro and push it in with the hooks. This way it stays attached. And off we go, we can use it now. Well, I hope you liked the video, that it was useful for you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.